On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put my hair on cornrows. This is specifically for people living in diaspora where it's kind of difficult to get who will make your hair, and if you happen to at all get, it's always quite expensive. So if you want a quick fix, nothing serious that you can just quickly do by yourself, then cornrow is the ish for you. But unfortunately, some of us, we do not know how to do cornrow. Yeah, you can learn. That is why I'm making this video today. You learn. Even me myself right here making this video, I am not perfect in it yet. I'm still learning. That is the cons. It's the cons of living in abroad where you don't have people that can maintain your natural hair for you. Hey baby, got me hooked on you once again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia ELEWUWA. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this particular video. Most importantly, don't forget to share. The best part of it is you will do it at the end of the day. Another best part of it is it does not matter whether it's straight at the back or not. As long as your hair is just put together, take it like that and go. So how I do mine is I just comb out my hair, straighten it out. Like I just finished straightening my hair though. The video where I straighten my hair is up on my YouTube channel, so you can click it to watch. Okay, so the first thing I do is I part my hair into 2 equal parts. Like I told you guys, I am also learning, so there is no perfect hairstylist here. If you want it perfect, you can just go to a hairstylist. But if you just want something you can put together, then continue watching this video. We'll get there together. Okay, so I section my hair into 2 equal parts like this. And yes, I'm not seeing my back as there is no mirror behind me, but I'm just using my fingers to trace the back of my hair to make sure I'm following the line. At the end of the day, trust me, it's not gonna be like straight, but yeah, we'll get somewhere. All right, after parting it, I like to use a band to hold one part together so as the hair will not be bothering the parts I'll be creating. So I go ahead and secure one part of my hair using a rubber band. Now I'm sure you can see that my hair is not a long hair, it's just a short hair. It's actually funny looking at it. So starting from this side, I usually like to start from the middle of my hair to start braiding, just to give me that demarcation. I start parting again from the center of my hair. After I feel like I've gotten the whole part, I also use the rubber band to secure the remaining of my hair, just so it won't be on the way of the one I'm about to braid. So this is what we are working with. As you can see, what I do is comb it out. Like I said, it doesn't have to be that perfect. You can go ahead and make the parts cleaner. And what I do is I use my shine and jam to kind of get that part that I've already created. And I go down straight to the end of the partition. I think this helps to keep me in check of where I'm working with, so I don't go enter into another place, and also helps slick it down. Then I go ahead and apply it on the hair itself. This process is not that necessary if you don't want it. So after applying that, as you can see, the hair that I'm working with is now on its own, just singled out, and it's also like that down to the end. Let me make a turn so that you guys can see. Like I said, it might not be that perfect, but you get the idea. So at this point is where I start braiding. So I just divide my hair into 3 equal parts. That's the front of my hair. And I just bring the first part under the second, under the third, while picking my hair from behind, and just keep going like that. And as I go, I just take small gel just to be keeping that hair in place. It's not necessary if you don't want it. So I just keep going because I've already made the part straight. So all I need to do is just follow that part and keep going as I'm picking my hair from behind and adding it to the 3 strands that I already have.
Hey baby, even when cash low, my love's to the overflow. Tonight, now you and me, no tension.
So guys, you just keep going, just like so. Like I said, it might not be that straight, but at the end of the day, you will get somewhere. That is what matters.
But make we plan a shopping spree, making us scatter my wallet, yeah. Pocket tight, but love is strong.
I'm at the end of my hair, and I'm just going to continue braiding that until I'm done with that particular section here. So this is what we have here. This is what we have. This is with a short hair. I'm gonna repeat the same process again, and I'll meet you guys at the end of this video. You can actually remove any entangled hair that went in with the section hair while you are braiding. See what I mean? That way you're making your hair neater and cleaner. Now I'm going to continue doing this until I get to the last part. Okay. I go give you the best in time. Now you they make my heart they shine. So this is the last part of the hair. This is the last section, and this is the much I've done since. So like I said, we are not looking at the perfection of it, we are just looking at getting the work done. If you want your hair to be perfect, I'm sure you know exactly where to go to a stylist and let them make it for you. Or if it's something that you're trying to manage, this should do. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this last one, and I will show you guys the back.
From the first day I see you, I know say now you no be joke. Now real love with it talk. You enter my life like morning light, stuffed and warm. You make it.
So I just twist the ends using the shine and jam just to keep it in place. Now this is the last part. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm just going to use the shine and gel and just lay my little edges. You don't have to do this If you don't like putting gel on your hair, or if you want it to look clean, then you can just do this, or use your edge control to do it.
Now we dey build step by step. Every moment with you are the key. You believe in me when nobody see you. They wipe my tears, stand by me. Waiting I go do without you here. Now your name my heart they wear. You be my forever, my only one.
Guys, this is what the front is looking like now that I'm done. This is my hair. This is the front. This is what the middle part is looking like, and I'm gonna show you the back right now. This is what the back is looking like. I know it's not straight. I know I said it from the beginning that it might not be straight, but if it's something you want to do and you want it to just to get the job done, just to wear it at home, then this is for you. Okay, after all, we're gonna put on wig on top of it, so it's not perfect, but we're working towards perfection. You know, the more you practice, the more it will get better. The main thing is to begin. Once you start and keep practicing, you will finally get at it. Yeah, I used to make my own hair for a very long time, like years back, and then I stopped, and then it's been a very long time now, so I'm starting again to try to make my own hair. Because once you are living in abroad, making hair, is either you're spending money or you don't get to see who will make your hair. So DIY is always the way for people living abroad. All right, so yeah, like I said, this is what it's looking like, and yeah, I'm proud of what I've done, and I know that tomorrow I'm gonna do better. Okay, same with you. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch up to this point, then you are definitely a fan. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave me a beautiful comment. Tell me this is something you can do, or you have never done your own hair by yourself before, or you want to start doing it, or it's not nice. Just let me know what you think, okay? And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. See you.